If you're planning to start live streaming in 2026, you've probably found yourself choosing between two major platforms, Twitch and Kick. One has dominated the live streaming world for years, while the other has quickly gained attention by offering creators better revenue opportunities. But the real question isn't which platform is more popular, it's which platform gives you the best chance to grow, build an audience, and earn money. In this video, we'll compare Twitch and Kick, look at what real users are saying, and help you decide which platform is the better choice for you. Let's start with Twitch. Twitch has been the home of live streaming for years. It has millions of active viewers, a huge gaming community, and professional features like channel points, raids, predictions, and interactive chat tools that make live streams feel more engaging. For many creators, Twitch still offers the strongest streaming community on the internet. Viewers are used to spending hours watching live content, and the platform is built specifically for live streaming. However, Twitch also has one major downside: competition. Thousands of creators are live at the same time every single day. That means getting discovered as a new streamer can be extremely difficult if you don't already have an audience. Success on Twitch usually requires consistency, long streaming hours, and a lot of patience. Now let's talk about Kick. The biggest reason so many creators switch to Kick is simple: money. Kick became popular by offering creators a much larger share of subscription revenue than most competing platforms. That immediately attracted many streamers looking for better earnings. Another advantage is that there are fewer creators streaming on Kick, which gives beginners a better chance of being noticed compared to Twitch. However, there is a trade-off. Kick's audience is still much smaller, so while competition is lower, there are also fewer viewers. Many successful Kick streamers say they first build an audience on platforms like YouTube or TikTok before bringing those viewers over to Kick. So, what do real users think? After reading discussions across Reddit and streaming communities, a clear pattern appears. Many users believe that Twitch still delivers the best overall live streaming experience thanks to its community, interactive features, and mature platform. At the same time, they agree that growing a brand new channel has become much harder because of the intense competition. When it comes to Kick, users consistently praise its creator-friendly revenue split and lower competition. However, many also point out that long-term growth is often easier if you already have an audience from another platform, since Kick simply doesn't have as many active viewers as Twitch. So, which platform should you choose? If your goal is to stream on the platform with the largest live streaming community and the best engagement tools, Twitch is still the strongest choice. If your priority is maximizing subscription revenue and taking advantage of lower competition, then Kick may be the better platform for you. At the end of the day, there's no perfect platform for everyone. Your success won't depend only on where you stream, but on the quality of your content, your consistency, and your ability to build a loyal community. Now it's your turn. If you were starting your streaming journey today, would you choose Twitch or Kick? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest comparisons and creator guides.